If you are looking for sound and vibration settings on the Samsung Galaxy Tab A11, then what you can do is you can open the Settings app. Now over here on the left side, you just have to scroll down a little bit in order to find sounds and vibration. And now over here we can find a bunch of different settings that are related to, of course, sounds and vibration, as the name suggests. So we can choose the sound mode, vibrate mode, or mute mode, also known as silent mode. We can also turn on vibration when ringing. We can change the ringtone of the notification sound. We can change system sounds, and we can enable and disable some of these system sounds as well. And we have a volume section where we can adjust the volume of different things. Besides that, we have vibration section where we can adjust call vibration, notification vibration, system vibration. You can also toggle some vibration options in here, and the vibration intensity for the system. And furthermore, we have sound quality and effects where we can, for example, enable or disable Dolby Atmos, and we can choose the profile for the Dolby Atmos. And we can also normalize the loudness, so we can prevent sound from suddenly becoming too loud or too quiet while playing media. We also have the app sound settings, so you can adjust the settings of a sound for specific apps. And the separate app sound option is over here as well. And that's about it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.